I'm 3D printing and building the entire Taskmaster suit of armor. And I'm starting things with the helmet that I still think is really awesome. To start this process, I imported the 3D models into Blender to compare to my own head scan. So I modified the scale, adjusted the orientation, and started the print in Cura. After a few days of printing, I can start post-processing and working on the other pieces. This might not be my favorite representation of the Taskmaster as a character, but I do still really love the design, and I cannot wait to get my hands on a full suit of armor. But now it's time to start some higher grit sanding as I begin to smooth out the surface to create a metallic finish. I can then use some body filler for the larger gaps and filler primer for the smaller gaps, but that's about everything I can fit into a 60-second video, so goodbye. Thanks for watching.